This is your pretest for word problems. You need to write your name so I know whose test it is. The directions right here. Write the math equation and solve the word problem. So, number 1 says, there were 6 cats in a basket. 3 more cats jumped in. How many cats were there all together? So on this line, I need you to write me the math equation and the answer. Okay, number 2. Let's read it. I had 8 apples and gave 5 to my mom. How many apples do I have left? On this line, you need to write me the math equation and then answer it. Number 3. 16 ducks were on a pond, but 7 flew away. How many ducks are on the pond now? On this line, write your math equation and the answer. Number 4. I baked 12 cookies with Grandma and some cookies with Mom. I ended up with 19 cookies. How many cookies did I bake with Mom? Write your math equation here on the line. And our last one, number 5. If I started with 30 shirts and my dad bought me 12 more, how many shirts do I have now? Write your math equation on that line. Remember, if it helps you, you can always draw a picture on the back or in the sides if you need some help adding or subtracting. Make sure your name's on it before you turn it in right up here, and then give it to your teacher.